What's that?
Kinder Surprise.
Okay, okay.
Do you need help opening that? We got orange. What did you get? Here, I'll take it out.
What is it,
We
Ellen?
got one of the orange monsters. And here is the whole collection.
Oh, yeah.
That's a
Is it yummy?
Move on to reading.
Is it yummy, eh?
Bye.
No, is it yummy? Bye.
Bye.
Alright. Alright, let's go to Ate. What have you got?
Kinder Surprise.
Oh, yeah. Kinder Surprise!
Here we have the.
What is that?
Try to figure out, okay? Oh, cool!
What is it?
It's this.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to make it and we'll be right back. I need to open. Here is the finished plane. Let's give it a shot, don't you think? It's too. So first.
Hang on.
Ready?
Go.
That wasn't a good.
No, you need to do it outside.
That wasn't a good shot either.
Okay.
So today we got